Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing, I don't know the rest of the words.
You don't? What are we going to do today? Are we going to sing nursery rhymes?
Yeah.
To help babies go to sleep? Which would you like to sing first?
Well, we know a pretty lullaby.
Okay, sing a pretty lullaby.
Lullaby, it's time to go to sleep. Lullaby, it's time to go to sleep. Time to go asleep. Come on, it's time for bedtime. Come on, it's time for naps. It's time to go to sleep.
That was a beautiful song. Do you want to sing Wheels on the Bus?
No, that's a day song.
A day song? Want to sing Twinkle Twinkle?
Yeah, that is a type of night song.
Okay, let's sing Twinkle Twinkle.
Yeah, it's a different kind of lullaby.
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. What's the last words?
I'm not sure. Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
I wonder what you are.
up above the world so high,
I don't know.
like a diamond in the sky.
A diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. What's it? What? No, I don't know all the words.
It's okay. What else should we sing? What's the last song we should sing? What do you think baby Nicola would like to hear? Okay, sing one.
Lullabies, let's go to sleep. It's night time, you go to sleep. It's morning time, you go sleep. Row, row, row your boat. It's time to go to sleep.
That's a sweet song. You mixed in a little row, row, row your boat.
Yeah. Because I don't know the rest of the words.
That's okay. You can sing whatever you like.
There's one more lullabies.
Okay, let's sing it.
It's time to go to sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Row, row, row your boat. Boat, boat. Row, row your boat. Let's time to play. It's uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh,
Go
what?
to bed.
Oh, time for bed. Okay, you want to say good night to all of YouTube? Good night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Are we gonna sing some more nursery rhymes after the video's done?
Sure, we'll sing even more when the video's done.
Yes.
We can practice some more. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.
Yep. Say like and subscribe. Thumbs up.
Like and subscribe. Thumbs up.
Yay, bye.
Bye.